Hi, this is Steve Grady. We're Design West 2013 at the Cymbet booth. I'd like to tell a couple things about Cymbet Enerchips today. They're really kind of special. What we do is we build Enerchips on silicon wafers using semiconductor processes. Each of those little squares on the wafer are actually a rechargeable battery. Now we package them two different ways, in bare die form right off the wafer, or you can see here in the package, plastic package parts. They're surface mount, they come on tape and reel, reflow solder right to the board. Enerchips are meant to last the life of the product, so once they're integrated into your product, you never have to worry about changing a battery ever again. So what are some of the applications you'd use Enerchips for? This is an example, and this is an eval 6 kit from Cymbet. It's a real-time clock backup. The chip on the left is the Enerchip, and the chip on the right is a real-time clock with oscillator from Microcrystal. It's a really cool integrated device. The combo there is a full backed up real-time clock. This will back it up for almost 90 hours per charge. It's on a USB stick. You're able to use it in your designs. It's for engineers to play around for power backup for real-time clocks. Enerchips can get particularly small. Zoom in here. This is actually a 3105. This is an integrated Enerchip. It has a power management IC in there as well. So this is just like a UPS and a chip. 2.5, 5.5 volts in, does the battery recharge, 3.3 volts out, so when power goes out, it'll hold over. These are especially good for things like glucose meters, handheld devices such as cell phones for power backup. It's tiny, surface mount, and they're only 35 cents in high volume, so very cost effective for your applications. Lastly, I want to talk a little about energy harvesting. This is an example of an energy harvesting solar powered temperature, humidity, and pressure sensor. So it's only this big, it's a Zigbee radio inside, has Enerchips to store the power harvested from the solar panels. So this is an example of some of the tiny sensors that are being built now using various wireless protocols, using energy harvesting. This is a card from the inside just to show you, these are the Enerchips across the bottom. So this is a card from internally, it's 200 microamp hours of storage with the energy processor from Cymbet that does the maximum peak power tracking. So again, you can see how small you can build energy harvesting power supplies. For more information, all these things are on Cymbet.com. We have white papers, reference designs, and you can register to win an evaluation kit and some of the materials we went through. Look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.